Hello everyone, this is Niuniu. Happy to travel with you along China's expressway. Right now, I'm in the city of Jingdezhen, another stop on the Jingwuhuang Expressway. Jingdezhen is considered to be the capital of porcelain, 著名的瓷都. So there is a rich culture of porcelain here. Let's see what we can find. Right behind me, you see many different kind of instruments made of Chinaware. You see many different kind of 乐器, 瓷的乐器. I would love to see what this special performance would be. So let's leave the stage to these beautiful ladies and welcome them up. 那我们美丽的乐手们就上台吧。Hey guys, did you enjoy the performance previously? We've had some very interesting instruments with the element of Chinaware, of porcelain, of 瓷. So right now, I am actually standing in front of a workshop, 工作坊. In this workshop, we get to see different procedures in making a Chinaware, in making a porcelain. So let's go and check it out. 我可以试一下吗？
可以啊。
Very delicate. Very stable.
感觉这个手
里面的这个就没有。
对的。
为什么被我搞出了一个小蘑菇？
拿手拉开。
I got a little mushroom. I know I'm wrong, but this is fun.
往上，这个手往上，松手。
See, I didn't got a ball. I got a plate. 哦，它变成碗了，它变成碗了。
变成碗了，手往上移一点。Oh,
this is not entirely my bowl, but it's a bowl. 这是我的碗。That is only a glimpse of the city of Jingdezhen. I promise you, there are a lot more to enjoy. If you like what you've seen, make sure you travel through the Jingwuhuang Expressway and enjoy the beauty of modern China. Thanks for watching. See you next time.